Hello everyone, nice to see you again. I'm Nini. Today I'd like to show you how to collect the unlock one kind of electric lock. First of all, we need an additional adapter. Then, as we can see that in the monitor and the outdoor bell had connected. Now we just need to connect the adapter and the electric lock to the system. First of all, we need to connect the adapter to this electric lock. Okay, now we need to connect the adapter to this doorbell. We need to find the orange cable of this doorbell and connect it to the adapter. Okay, I have finished. Now we need to find the green cable of the doorbell and connect it to the electric lock. Yes, I have finished, and we can see that the adapter connects the electric lock and connect this doorbell by this orange cable, and the electric lock connects this doorbell by green cable. Okay. Okay, now let's power this radio system. And we can see that the doorbell's light and the monitor's light is on. Okay. Just wait some seconds for this in the monitor's reading. Okay, now let's press this doorbell.